Right, this is our biogas mower in its close to final version. The biogas is stored in this black bin, which is almost empty now, but the foil bag inside can inflate to about 210 liters, which would normally come to about here. So typically it's probably only holding about 90 to 100 liters, and it's, well, probably got about 20 or 30 liters left in there right now. Got a bag of sand in there for a bit of weight, and then that feeds through this pipe to the little gas valve over here, and just a little milk bottle cap over the carburetor with a pipe for an air intake over here. Right, let's see if we can get it started.